Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 99 Langpap Road in Mendon.
This is a spectacular architect-designed dream ranch on 4 acres of nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Upon entering this amazing home, you are greeted with a spacious room-sized foyer with cathedral ceilings and beautiful Pennsylvania granite paver stone, the hallmark of this home.
This designer St. Charles kitchen features new stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the dining area with deck access, and a stunning great room with wood beam cathedral ceilings, a Pennsylvania granite paver fireplace, and a wall of windows, all with scenic nature views.
The bedroom wing features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this light and bright owner's suite with a luxurious bathroom with a walk-in closet, crown molding, and deck access with scenic wooded views.
This incredible walkout lower level features a great room with patio access, a gorgeous brick fireplace, a lounge with an adjacent built-in bar, and 2 bedrooms with a full bathroom.
The architectural detail and quality is evident throughout this custom-built ranch home, appropriately placed in this spectacular nature setting.
Enjoy the tranquil nature setting from this wraparound deck and lower patio overlooking the 4 scenic wooded acres.
Langpap Road is an exceptional country neighborhood of fine homes with acreage. This picturesque road has nature all around you. Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Mendon Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 99 Langpap Road in Mendon.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!